Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but looking down here at the volume, well above average volume on the day. And a very shaky looking chart. I'm not going to say that the chart is destroyed, because that wouldn't be fair, because it's not destroyed. But like I said, it's definitely at a very interesting area. So if you're someone that's saying, yeah, I don't know, is this a bullish or bearish chart? It's a confusing chart, because, I mean, you got to give credit where credit's due. A very nice movement. But then the price had this big old pullback. It wasn't quite a crash, but it was definitely a big pullback. So, really, is this chart bullish or bearish going forward? In my mind, it all revolves around this area right down here at $1.15. Why is $1.15 important? Well, let's look at a couple of different scenarios. And I'm not saying either of these will happen. Well, one of them will happen, but first level, and I'm not saying this one is going to happen per se, but if the price were to go down to that level and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range where it was before the big breakout. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then began to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now all of a sudden you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, that's what truly strong movements are going to do. They're going to show signs of progress. Now, granted, if you're some sort of day trader or scalper and you bought there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well, then from that point of view, you definitely don't care about $1.15. But $1.15 is definitely more so that overarching level that's really helping visualize, is the chart ultimately going to start to show signs of progress, or is the chart and the price literally going to go right back to where it all started? So we'll have to see what happens with it. But yeah, let's see if the price can indeed stay above that $1.15 mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.